Well, I've been passing this Morton Rifle and Pistol Club building. There's the information there and information outside of Morton. And I have seen a few people down here. You got the stations there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stations. And looks like they got a go for skeet, whatever. Pretty cool, huh? No trespassing. Members only. Shotguns, shells only. Shotguns. Okie dokie, yeah. I can imagine you don't be, shooting out there. It is drizzling at 63 degrees. And look how nice that is. Isn't it nice? Well, hey, it's good to me. What can I say? On the way to Morton, pick up a few things, do a few projects around the place. Oh my. Enjoy, thanks.